This is a quick beginner's guide to ChatGPT, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know to use ChatGPT and all of its AI features. So it all starts by going to chat.openai.com. In the top here are your models. If you have a free account, you only have access to GPT 3.5. The premium account has access to GPT 4, and that includes DALL-E 3, which is image generation, web browsing, and analysis. In the top left are all your custom GPTs. You can click Explore to discover new ones. Here are all the ones made by OpenAI. Below that is your conversation history. I have one about overcoming plateaus in the gym. I can click this and I can read our previous conversation. Clicking in the top left will create a new chat. And then in the input box below, we can write our message to ChatGPT. If we want to write an article, we can say, write me an article about the keto diet. And it will take your prompt, which is what you asked it to do, and write an article about the keto diet. If you want it to draw you a picture, draw me a picture about the keto diet, and then tell it the aspect ratio. I put aspect ratio 16:9 because I want a landscape image. And there it drew me a beautiful picture about the keto diet. It did use text, but it spelt it right. So I like this image. You can click this to download it to your computer. If I want to browse the web and find up-to-date information, I could say something like, what is the current weather in Toronto, Ontario? And then ChatGPT will do research with Bing. It will browse the web and shoot out the current date, the time, and the temperature. If you want to upload files, you can click this paperclip icon. Clicking it will open your downloads. I'm going to choose this image and I'm going to ask it, describe this image in 2 sentences. ChatGPT will look at the image and will tell me it's a fox with glasses seated at a desk. You can also upload documents. Click the paperclip icon again. I'm going to select my video ideas and I'm going to ask it, which video should I make next? ChatGPT is going to read your document and it gave me 7 ideas of the next content I should produce. This was a quick beginner's guide to ChatGPT. If you want a full guide where I walk through everything from custom GPTs to beta settings and features to making money with ChatGPT, click the link in the top pinned comment below.